The Carnival Pride has cruises to the Bahamas, Bermuda, and the Caribbean, all sailing from Baltimore, Maryland. The Pride is an older ship with a nice blend of modern touches for the 2,100 passengers. The Normandie is the main dining room on the Pride. You can opt for early or late seating or use the flexible choice option where you can dine anytime between 5:45 and 9:30. The food is generally very good in the Normandie. The Mermaid Grill or Mermaid Bistro is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and is divided into a bunch of different stations. This basically is your traditional cruise buffet, and you might find salads, the carp, the deli for a bunch of sandwiches, the wok, the 24-hour pizzeria, chopsticks, and of course ice cream and frozen yogurt. Also on the Lido deck is Guy's Burger Joint and the Blue Iguana Cantina. Bonsai Sushi is not only a sushi bar, but a full Asian restaurant. A la carte pricing exists. David's Steakhouse is formal attire, reservation only steakhouse where you can get seafood, steak and lobster, or a 12-ounce or 24-ounce porterhouse steak. The surcharge for David's Steakhouse is $35, which I feel was modest considering the selection, quality, quantity, and preparation of the meal. The Piazza Cafe on Deck 2 is a moderately priced specialty coffee house with a little bit for the sweet tooth. If you have 12 people and want an exclusive dining event, try the Chef's Table. It's $75 a person, but it's a fabulous meal hosted by one of Carnival's chefs. For more information and to book a Carnival Pride cruise, contact F&C Travel today.